Hello everyone, today we will make stereographic painting. So let's get started. So firstly take your Fevicryl, mold it and mix it up in the equal amounts and start applying in the parts as shown in the video. Make sure to use talcum powder with the molded so that it does not stick to your surface where you mix it. Always keep a cutter around you while making molded so that you can cut it up easily. Now we will mix it using flesh tint and burnt sienna. Also check out my website linked in the description box, and if you are new at my channel then don't forget to subscribe. Now we'll color at the molded part. So at that we will not use any water, we will use the color directly. In this painting we have to make sure that we are using thick colors and bright colors only. In stereographic painting, the realistic scene and the bright colors are the main object, and the background should be a bit light. Now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.